Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is your administrator, Roger Lloyd, and this is a carpet cleaning world exclusive with Soap Daddy's Prime Time and tag teams with the Rotovac 360 XL versus a Chinese restaurant. And this right here is their worst traffic lane from the kitchen to the restaurant. So, without further ado, let's see how this works. Let's see if Soap Daddy Prime Time is the real deal. Look at that tube. Let's look at that tube. Let's get a close-up of that tube. Look at that. Look at that. Are you kidding me right now? One strike action. One pass.
Dirty.
One pass. Let's do another one. Let's do another. Soap Daddy Prime Time. Rotovac 360 XL. Show them that tube. Show them that tube. Look at that. You got to be kidding me right now. One pass action. Rotovac 360 XL. Soap Daddy's Prime Time. Show them that tube. Show them that tube. It's undeniable. It's undeniable. Wow. Look at this. And you're telling me you don't want to get a rotary jet extractor? I don't care what brand you get. I showed you the T-Rex yesterday by Mighty. I'm showing you the RX, the Rotovac 360 XL. Look at this. How long would it take you to get this carpet clean with the standard wand or the old-fashioned way? Why do it? We'll be in and out of here in an hour. Maybe an hour and a half. Look at this. Look. Look, here we go again. Show them that tube. Get a close-up of that tube. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Show them the before and after. Show them the before and after. This is the before. This is the before right here. That's the after. That's the after. Oh, I don't think they, up here, Antonio, I don't think they got enough. I don't think they got enough. Let's do a couple more lines so they can see this is the worst area in the restaurant. And look at that. Let's do a couple more. They're not happy enough. Let's show them again. Rotovac 360 XL tag team with Soap Daddy versus Chinese restaurant. Here we go again. Take two. Take two. Here we go. Show them the tube. The tube is undeniable. The tube is undeniable. Woo. Go back and do our drive pass. One pass action. One pass. One more. Look at the, show them the steam. Show them that steam. One more. Just one more. I can't believe it. I can't get enough. I don't know what's going on. What's going on? Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that. Are you kidding me right now? Look at this. Hardly any effort at all. And it's coming clean. It's coming clean. Look at this. Look at this. And until up here. Now, this is a carpet cleaning world exclusive. This is what it is. This is the before. Show them the before again. Because some of them, like me, they can't see too good. We wear glasses. Then show them the after right there. I'm going to make it easier for you. This is the Rotovac 360 XL. It's $24.99. All you got to do is call me or inbox me right now. There's nothing else to think about. If you're trying to go after any commercial work, this is what you want. Tag team with Soap Daddy's Prime Time. It's undeniable. I don't care what you think. I don't care what your comments are. You're silly. You're crazy. You see the results. Now I'm going to finish this restaurant and you go ahead and think on it. And then after you think on it and it makes sense, give me a call and then get in touch with Soap Daddy. Go to his website. Dion Winston is the spokesperson. Inbox him. Get you some prime time. Show him one more time. You know what? Well, let's go out with a stroke. Let's go out with a stroke. Let's do that. I shouldn't say that because I really did have a stroke. We're talking about a cleaning stroke. All right. Let's move this out the way. All right, here we go. Last time, guys, here we go. Soap Daddy's Prime Time with the Rotovac 360 XL. Show them the tube. Show them the thing and show them the tube. You got to be kidding me right now. All right, up here, we're done. Up here. Listen, guys, you know what I'm getting ready to say. It's up to you, and it always was. Do you want your business to be taken seriously? You have to invest. Now, you can be the best carpet cleaner all you want, but your customer's interested in results. I'm not the best carpet cleaner. I'm a businessman. But look at what I just showed you. I don't have to be the best carpet cleaner. So, it's up to you. It always was, and it always will be. Now, what are you going to do about it? That is the question.